Hey, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars. I got a good one for you. I got a 1968 Oldsmobile 442 Convertible. This car is highly original, very beautiful, finished in the beautiful yellow with the new black chrome wheels. It's got the original style interior in it, and it is numbers matching 400 with the automatic 400 turbo transmission, and it's factory air and power steering and power disc brakes, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1968 Oldsmobile 442 Convertible, numbers matching with factory air conditioning. It doesn't get much nicer than this. Like I said, this is just a highly original car. It is a true 442 car out of the factory. I'll show you the VIN number as we go around the car, but really looks good. Paint is in great condition. We're going to take a look at it here. All the wheels look good. They're like the black chrome wheel torque thrust with good tires on them. It's got the 442 with the stripes. Take a look at the interior first, passenger side. Interior, like I said, is all original in the car. It does have new carpet that we put in, all new carpet in the car. Really looks good. It's got the convertible top cover, the parade boot cover. Really looks good. Let me grab the key here. I'm going to take a look inside the trunk. I'll show you the doors first. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk has the spare tire and all the jack equipment. All looks good. Underneath the mat looks good. Very nice inside the trunk. It's got the stickers, the original stickers to the car. Just really looking good. Shut the trunk here. We're going to start it up and see how it sounds. Condition. All the lights work, the horn works, all the gauges work in the dash. Top goes up and down. It is a power top on the car. Something really cool on this car, it does have a factory driver's side power front seat on this car right here. It does have a driver's side power front seat, which is pretty cool. A lot of these cars did not have that, but this one here looks good. Let me show you that power seat working. A little switch there. It goes up and goes back. Kind of hard to tell on the video, but works great. Shut the door. We'll move on around to the engine here. Like I said, this is powered by the 400. It is numbers matching. Power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning. Really looks good under the hood. We did do freshen up on the paint on the motor, and really looks good. Under the hood looks good. So, shut the hood. We'll take one more quick look at the 1968 Oldsmobile 442 Convertible. Numbers matching with factory air conditioning. And if you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. We're going to take this Oldsmobile for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1968 Oldsmobile 442 Convertible for a test drive and see how it does. beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. We're going to take this one for a drive and see how it does. We got the top down and we're ready to cruise. Really does good, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. No rattles or shakes in the car. Just really does good. Show the other one working there too. Both of the turn signals are working. Like I said, the car really runs and drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. Car you can get in, put the top down, just go for a cruise. We're going to turn around and head back and get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this Oldsmobile's made of. Car's got good power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Like I said, just an excellent running driving car. Really does good. Car you can get in and drive wherever you want to go. It just goes for a cruise. Really does good. We are almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. We're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.